How to earn money by watching ads in Vidilook. After the download is complete, register and log in to enter the home page. Click the ad button to see the ad. Assets are increasing. The more you watch, the more you earn. How to do it? Earn more money. Click on Assets. Recharge. Copy the address to balance for operation. View recharge history. Return to the home page and click to subscribe. Buy 1-star advertiser for 50. Watch 5 ads per day. Get 1.5 view per day. Buy 2-star advertisers for 150. Watch 15 ads per day. Get 4.5 view per day. Buy 3-star advertisers for 500. Watch 50 ads per day. Get 15 view per day. Buy 4-star advertiser for 1500. You can watch 150 ads per day. Get 45 view per day. Select 1-star advertiser and join. Pay. The purchase is successful. Click to see the advertisement. The first ad of the day does not count. From the second, show earnings here. Earnings increase when watching ads. Get 0.3 for every ad you watch. The higher the star rating, the more advertising volume. Click on the asset. Click on the VDL. This page shows our asset details. Try it now.